let's look at the API key management pattern. As you know what API, this is just the management of API keys using a server. So what is an API key? API key is what you could use instead of a middleware to allow users have access to different requests. So the API keys are just a secret form, encrypted form. They're generated by the Power server and stored in a database. But on Solana, in this case, the admin, that's the server, in this case, would create the key. Then the program would create the PDA. Then when the user makes the call, the program will check the PDA. If it's still active, then execute based on the result it gets. So as you can see, just the same thing. The admin creates the program creates the PDA, then the user can make a signed call to the program, and the program will check whether the PDA is active, then execute based on this. So some of the constraints is that the authorized key must be stored on the PDA to allow efficient lookups. So the place depends on the PDA storage. So if you constantly create keys on this PDA, it could overload the PDA, which is not a constraint. Security verification, so you need to verify every time, apart from just making the call on the API, because you still need to sign with your wallet to verify, which could be exhausting. But there are ways to go around this as a developer, which could include putting a Bola wallet in the local storage and creating session keys. And here for Solana, there's no verifiable way to just disable keys here because it's on chain. But for the trade-off, the secrets are managed. For example, users have a secret key to manage secrets, but in case the account is compromised, but there's no secret shared, so it's based on the user code address and the signature, which could help so you don't get hacked easily. It's put on chain, so this scaling of millions of keys is trivial in the database, as you know, but this requires its own PDAs, so it's much easier and much protected. So now let's run the test to check it. So we're already logged in on this. So now you have a key. This is functions to revoke the key or erase registry. When you revoke the key doesn't have any access again, so it won't work, but it's just on chain. When you erase the registry, it's completely deleted, and any soul you spent for this will be refunded back to you. So let's erase the registry first, because I already tested this, that's why it looks like this. Let's erase the registry first so we can get to our original state.
That's not your charger. Not my charger. You sure? Yep. You doubt us? I don't doubt it.
So now we are gotten back to the way it was before. So let's imagine we are trying to create an API key. We'll just generate and register an API key here. Now we've generated and created an API key, as you can see. So now we can make actions with this extra. Can make actions with this API key. Yeah.